you ever wondered how to combine two videos into one effortlessly for YouTube? Whether you are looking to merge clips for a smoother viewing experience or just want to create a longer video, you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving into how you can easily combine your videos using YouTube Studio, CapCut and VEED, three powerful tools to help you take your content to the next level. But before we jump into the steps, did you know that videos with well-edited transitions and clear merges can boost viewer retention? It's true. Research shows that videos with smoother edits have higher engagement rates. Let's explore how to do this. Previously, YouTube Studio allowed you to combine multiple videos or clips into one. But that feature is no longer available. So, you won't be able to merge videos directly within YouTube Studio anymore. But instead, you can download the videos you want to combine, use any video editing software to arrange them on the timeline, and export them as a single video. Once you are satisfied with the final edit, you can upload it as a new video. However, YouTube Studio still allows you to split or trim sections from an existing video. It's simple, but it lacks advanced features. You can't really add transitions or effects, but it works perfectly for basic edits if you are working with YouTube's platform. Now, if you want to do something more robust, CapCut is the app you need. It's free, mobile-friendly, and extremely intuitive. Download it from your app store, and once installed, you can import your videos. From there, simply grab both the videos in the timeline, position them next to each other, and adjust any parts you need to cut. CapCut gives you full control, add transition, music, or text with ease. It's perfect for those who want to create more engaging content on their phones. Plus, it won't add any watermark unless you use paid features, which is a huge win for creators. Not feeling the app? Let's talk about VEED. VEED is a powerful online editor that you can access from any device with an internet connection. It is incredibly easy to use. Upload your videos, drag them to the timeline, and start combining. VEED even lets you add effects, text, subtitles, and audio, making it ideal for creators who need advanced features without downloading extra software. Plus, the export quality is top-notch. And the best part? You can do all this right in your browser, so you don't need to worry about storage or processing power. Now let's compare them. YouTube Studio, while simple, is only effective if the videos are already uploaded and doesn't offer much flexibility for advanced edits. CapCut, on the other hand, is amazing for mobile users and gives you more control over your edits. But don't forget, you can use it in your computer too. VEED is fantastic for anyone who wants to work online without downloading software, and it offers high-quality export options. So, which one is the right for you? If you want something quick and easy with basic edits, YouTube Studio is your best bet. If you are looking for something more creative, CapCut is perfect for you. And for those who want to work in a web browser with advanced features, VEED is the tool to go with. Remember, video editing isn't just about combining clips. It's about making your content engaging. Use transitions, texts, and effects to captivate your audience and keep them watching until the end. Your editing can make or break how long people stay engaged with your video. The key takeaway here? Choose the tool that fits your need. You might need all three of them. YouTube Studio for simplicity, CapCut for mobile creativity, and VEED for online flexibility. And don't forget, when you master combining videos and editing, your channel's growth will skyrocket. So, are you ready to get started? Go ahead and try combining your videos with these tools and watch your content thrive. Happy editing! If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.